Kyiv, United States, U.S. media, Bloomberg, reported that the first batch of American-made F-16 fighter jets had arrived in Ukraine. The report, citing an anonymous source, said the number of fighter planes was small. The Ukrainian government has not commented on the delivery of the F-16s as reported by American media. The origins of the fighter plane are not yet clear. Last year, a group of NATO countries, including Denmark, the Netherlands, Belgium, Canada, Luxembourg, Norway, Poland, Portugal, Romania and Sweden, formed the so-called F-16 coalition. Greece, the US, Bulgaria and France later joined. While some countries, including the Netherlands and Denmark, pledged to provide Kyiv with 24 and 19 F-16 fighter jets respectively from their own stockpiles, others committed to training Ukrainian pilots. Norway also recently said it would donate 6 similar fighter jets to Kyiv. According to sources quoted by Bloomberg, the delivery deadline set for the end of this month has been complied with. Earlier in July, the outgoing Dutch government said all preparations for the delivery of the F-16s had been completed and the transfer would take place soon. It is unclear whether Ukrainian pilots trained to operate the aircraft by Western countries will be able to immediately use the fighter, according to a Bloomberg report published on Thursday, the 8th of January 2024. Ukraine's Defense Ministry spokeswoman, Diana Davitian, declined to comment on the matter. Moscow has repeatedly stated that the F-16s, like other Western weapons provided to Kyiv, would not change the outcome of the conflict. The Russian military will destroy the planes as it has done with other Ukrainian hardware, Kremlin spokesman Dmitry Peskov said earlier this year. Last week, Ukraine's military commander, Colonel General Alexander Syrsky, admitted to The Guardian that the Ukrainian military had to limit the use of F-16s to avoid being shot down by Russian forces. Moscow has superior aviation and very strong air defenses, the general said, adding that the US-made aircraft had to stay tens of kilometers away from the front lines to avoid serious risks. A private Russian company previously offered a reward of 15 million rubles, $170,000, for the destruction of the first F-16 in the conflict. Russia has warned several times that the ever-increasing levels of support Western countries are providing Kyiv will only prolong the conflict and human suffering. According to Russia, increasing arms shipments to Ukraine also make the West a de facto participant in the conflict. Top officials in Moscow, including President Vladimir Putin, have called the Ukraine crisis a proxy war waged by Washington and its NATO allies against Russia.